This is the DJI magnetic protective case designed for the DJI Action 2 camera. The case goes for about $18 on Amazon right now, and it was free for customers who had purchased the Action 2 before March 31st this year, which I received mine for free as well. But if I didn't, it's a solid case that I would definitely consider purchasing. It's made of a tough plastic material, while the Action 2 is made of a sturdy aluminum. I would only imagine that any small drops would dent it. It has built-in magnets in the same exact place as the magnets on the Action 2, so it's just as strong as if it didn't have a case on it at all. I really like that it raises the edges on the important pieces of glass so that if the camera falls face down on the lens won't make contact, unless there are rocks on the ground. The edges on the back where the second screen are, if you purchase the second screen, is slightly raised as well. All of the cutouts for the camera are very well done, and the case can be removed with ease. I do like the button on the top of the case, which makes it very easy to press on the record button or the on button when you need to use the camera. The cutouts on the case are very well done and large enough that you can easily plug any kind of USB-C cable to charge the device, or give a substantial room for you to pull out the SD card if needed. I have been using this case on the camera every day since day one, and it's been great. When the camera gets warm, the case does too, but it has not caused my camera to overheat. I record in 2K because the camera without the case overheats in 4K. Overall, I would highly recommend this case and wouldn't regret the purchase if I had paid for it. So that's all for this case right now. Follow for more videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and take it easy.